is shining. It's a big field in here. Wala pong snow today, pero sobrang lamig. What our temperature today here in Canada? -3, babe?
No, I think right now it's plus.
Okay.
It's either +1 or +2.
It's a beautiful day. It's good to walk.
It is +2 right now.
Now guys, we're arrived here in ground pit area. So we're going to take a walk here. There's a dog. Me like a dog. I'm going to take a walk also.
Hi, how are you? Beautiful day. Awesome day. Hey doggy.
There's my Hassan. Oh, that's a beautiful dog. It's my son, husband and son. Say hi. My handsome husband and my handsome son. It's beautiful here. Makikita nyo po dito yung ground ng mga pit. Halimbawa may mga aso, dinadala nila dito para magwiwi, magpupo.
Been back here, so. Oh, this looks like the trail map here.
Looks like a big trail.
Yeah.
This is a long, just like a trail.
We'll go the other way so we get away from these people.
So ito po guys yung mga tao dito, ito yung ang tawagin ground pit. Kasi dito dinadala yung mga aso pag nagpapawiwi sila or nagpapapupo. Po. Look at this guys. A little lake is now frozen. Ito po yung maliit na lake dito, tapos nag-frost na po yung water niya. Yan po. It's beautiful in here. Everybody take a walk. Nag-a-ice na po yung tubig sa sobrang lamig.